Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now by choosing 6 room temperature eggs. They hold together better when shocked. First, make a strong brine. Combine 1 cup white vinegar, 1 cup water, and 1 tablespoon salt. That acidity flavors and firms the white. While the brine rests, soft boil the eggs for 6 to 7 minutes so the yolk stays custardy. Immediately transfer to an ice bath to stop cooking and make peeling easier. Once peeled, lightly crack shells to let flavor penetrate. Once done cracking the shells into a spiderweb pattern, you reheat the brine and add flavor layers. A splash of soy for umami, 1 tablespoon brown sugar for balance, and chili or smoked paprika for bite. These elements create the zombie look and complex taste. Place the cracked eggs back into warm brine so it seeps into the fractures. Cool, then refrigerate. Make sure to let them marinate 12 to 24 hours so the color and flavor develop evenly. You finish by fully peeling the eggs to reveal the marbled, zombie-like pattern. Pat them dry and slice or serve whole. For storage, keep refrigerated and use within 3 to 4 days for best texture. If the taste is too sharp, make sure to soak eggs briefly in fresh water to mellow acidity. Conversely, if flavor is weak, extend marinating by a few hours. If eggs turn rubbery, you marinated too long, shorten the soak next time to preserve a creamy yolk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.